There are so many bad questions on this test, it's really amazing. Number 7 is not one of them. It's perfectly fine. Let's take a look at it. What is the solution to 3 halves times b plus 5 is less than 17? All right, so look, when you solve an inequality, at least in Algebra 1, you solve it exactly like you solve an equation with one small exception, an exception that isn't even going to come up on this test, unfortunately. I guess unfortunately, right? Which is that if you multiply or you divide either side of an inequality by a negative, you have to flip the inequality sign. All right? That is the only thing that's different about solving an inequality versus solving an equation. So let's see if that even happens here, which I already gave away. It doesn't. Let's take a look. You know, we have 3 halves times b plus 5 is less than 17. So if I were just solving this like an equation, the first thing I would do is subtract 5 from both sides. And I'd get 3 halves times b is less than 12. Still good. All right, as long as I don't multiply or divide both sides of the inequality by a negative, I'm fine, okay. Now I need to get rid of the 3 halves. Now you could divide both sides of the inequality by 3 halves. Your calculator definitely has that ability. Most algebra teachers will tell you instead of dividing both sides by 3 halves, they want you to multiply both sides by 2/3, because 2/3 and 3 halves are what are called multiplicative inverses. They cancel each other out. 3 goes into 12 4 times, and b